Hadhin prabna ka jingsha hikai khatwei tiliki ksew jong ka Meghalaya Police K-9 Unit kilapan ya ka jingtbit ka jungki ha ka banirap bante lakam ki kamsni bo per ha ka jala ya kani la sakhi ha ka passing au parade jong kani ka union ka balalong ha ka spotrik juliaw arja arpuar hamadan PTS mauro slong u Dr. LR Bisnoy DGP Meghalaya ulawan bansaki ya kani ka parade kumu kongsan habai krembat kilap thai kubor loithu bakini ki ksew kinirap bante lakam na ki kampan thai bom na ki kam khi drugs bat kiwi pan.
Today, the passing out of K-9, the 4 dogs which were recently procured by Meghalaya Police, and after 8 months of rigorous trainings, today passing out parade for K-9 dog was organized, and they have shown the nice display here. Total 8 dogs that trained, and out of that 4 were recently trained, and we have 12 dogs total, and out of 12 1 is sick, so all other 11 dogs have taken part in today's passing out parade. It was 8-month long trainings, and our handlers, they have done good jobs. You have seen the coordinations between the men and dogs. They have understood their behaviors, ethics, skills, everything, and they have done good jobs. And we are sending our 4 more trainers for advanced training at Bangalore, and they will be going to Bangalore on Monday. And after that, we wish that we should procure some more dogs, because there are 12 districts in Meghalaya, and 2-3 dogs are required in every district. So by keeping that requirement in view, we require nearly 50 odd dogs, but we have presently 12 dogs only. In phase-wise manner, in due course of time, we will procure more dogs. We have sufficient handlers here to train them dogs, and those dogs will be utilized for the purpose of crime investigation and VIP security, anti-sabotage checking, narcotics detection, and bomb disposal also. I see now I am taking meeting with the senior officials of the districts and understanding the security scenario, law and order situation in the district, as well as the crime scenario. After reviewing the crime, we will finalize the crime prevention strategy, and we will give a lot of emphasis on the training, the capacity buildings, where police public relationships, and the crime prevention strategy, because insurgency is more or less under control and at its low stress. So insurgency is not a problem in the state of Meghalaya, so we will concentrate on routine policing.
Hakawai pat kaliang loong bakachala Meghalaya kam don jingstier na hikam pyntriem na kiliano Henry kabasosi kalomabon palat kikam sniu kam thambor kam tam ikikan thei na.
Crime against women and children is the cause of concern for all of us, and some crimes unfortunately are committed by the non-familiars who are familiar with the victims, and some are even committed by the family members and relatives. So for that also we are in the process of finalizing our awareness strategy.